Hallo, guten Tag. So now today's topic is German numbers from 21 onwards. Okay, we'll be talking about the German numbers from 21 to 100, right? So let's see that how we have to form the number 21. Okay. In English, what happens that we say the tens digit first and then the one digit, right? So it is 21, but in German it's opposite. What happens over here? We use the ones digit first. So one is called eins. We will remove this s from eins and it becomes ein. Okay. Then we will use und. The literal meaning of this und is and then 20. We have learned that 20 is called Swansich. Hence, ein plus und plus Swansich. So it becomes ein und Swansich. What does plus means? Plus means plus. So ein und Swansich is 21. Same like that. 22, zwei und 20. 2 and 20. 22. Remember that this is 21. Okay, this is ein und 20. Okay, you don't have to make any gap between ein and und. You don't have to make any gap between und and 20. It will be written as one word only. All the German numbers are written in one word only until and unless you reach till million. For example, you want to write 9876. It will be written as 9876. Okay, it is 76. 76 is 76. So everything will be written together in one word only. Okay. So you don't have to put any gap between the numbers when you are writing them in number names. So 22 is 22, then 23, 3 und 20, 24, 24, 25, 25. Okay, in 5 we have the umlaut, right? 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Next, 26, 26. Now remember here that while making 16, we removed this s from 6, but here it will again come back. So 26. Then 27, 27. Now the en of 7 is also restored over here. 27. 28, 28. 29, 29. Then 30 is 30. Okay, remember that in 20 we have ZIG at the end. But whereas in 30 we have ligature I and G, means asset I and G we have. Okay, asset E, G. Okay, 30. 36, 37, 38, 39, then I mean 26, 27, 28, 29, and then comes 30. So same like that, we'll be forming the numbers from 31 to 39. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and then 40. 40 is called 40. 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 47, 48, 49, and then 50. 50 is 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and then comes 60. Now again, when we were making 16, we removed the s from Zex. Same over here. We will remove this s from Zex when we are making the number 60. So it is Zexish. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and then 70. 70 is Siebzig. Again, en will be removed. So we say Siebzig. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and then comes 80. 80 is said as 80. Okay. 80, so 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and then 90. 90 is called 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 96, 97, 98, 99, and then comes 100. 100 is said as either hundred or you can say 100. Even in English, if we say 100 or if we say 100, it's the same thing. 100 or 100, it's the same thing. Same like that in German as well. Either you say 100 or you say 100. It's the same thing, right? Now this is for practice. 45 will be said as, firstly you will write 5. 5 is 5, then a und, and then 40. 45, 6 und 50, 62, 7 und 80, 9 und 90, right? So in this way you can take any random number, practice it, okay, and try to write it in the form of number names. Okay, now till here you have done the numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, what you have to do, you have to write the spellings of all the numbers from 1 to 100. You know the pattern, that how you have to create the number. Okay, you can learn it as well. Now, on the basis of these numbers, let's try to solve a question. The question is, how old are you? Okay, so this question can be said in two ways. The one is formal and the other one is informal. In the formal situations, how old are you will be said as wie alt sind Sie? Wie alt sind Sie? How alt is old, sind is are, and Sie is you. Okay. In the informal situation, it will be wie alt bist du. It also means how old are you. Okay. Wie alt and wie alt is same. Only there is a difference of sind sie and bist du. So in the formal situation, you will use sind sie. Sind is the formal R and Z is the formal U, whereas bist is the informal R and du is the informal U. Okay. The answer is I am 18 years old. Ich bin 18 Jahre alt. So it's just a random age that I have written. Okay. If somebody will ask me that Elisha, wie alt sind Sie? Then I have to properly answer it in German. Okay. I'll say ich bin 22 Jahre alt. Okay. Now just see that what is your age and try to tell your age in the same sentence structure. Okay. For example, you are 35 years old, you will say, Ich bin 35 Jahre alt. Okay, so whatever the number is, it won't exceed above 100, I know. Okay, you all will be below 100, so it can't exceed above 100. Okay, and we have carefully learned the numbers till 100 in German, right? So try to form the sentence structure according to your age. Okay, I am is ich bin. 18 is 18. Years is Yahara. What is this? Yahara. Yahara. And old is alt. Ich bin 18 Jahre alt. Okay. I hope that this very thing is clear to you. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the discussion forum. Vielen Dank means thank you. Okay. All right. Thank you and have a nice day.